Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be rating EAS alarms. I've never done this before. This is my counter. Wait, I'm just gonna wait, no. Wait, yeah, that's okay. Good. Wait. This is very hard. There we go. I'm just gonna pause the video for a sec. Okay, so I just set it up. Come on, focus. Focus. I did 10s over here for the voting for rating or whatever. So first of all, wait. We're gonna go with the USA alarm. One out of 10. Not scary. Are this a lot of times before? No. Next country. This is not Italy. This is Ireland. This is just orange. 4 out of 10. I heard this 3 times. It's not scary anymore. I don't know how. Zero out of 10. Very disappointed. This is very bad. Time for the Greek one. 7 out of 10. This actually jump scared me. A 100 out of 10. This actually is kind of creepy. I don't know how. Zero out of 10. Stop swearing at me. 0 out of 10. This is actually cool and I like it. This is not scary. Zero out of 10. This isn't even scary. So here are all my votes. Come on, focus. Wait. US 1 out of 10. Ireland 4 out of 10. Poland 0 out of 10. Greek 7 out of 10. Israel 800 out of 10. France 0 out of 10. Germany 0 out of 10. Japan 0 out of 10. That's all for the video. We just did a EAS alarm test, or whatever, EAS alarm rating, how scary it was. Israel actually had an 800. Ireland had a 4 because I actually heard this before. I was actually scared. And I live in Ireland. So that's it for the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll just check if this is okay. Okay, bye.